Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I hydrate and moisturize my locks. This is my go-to routine, and here I'm just spraying my locks with some spring water that I have in a spray bottle, and I try to hit my roots all over. That's the best way, to just hit the roots first before you actually hit the strands or the shaft of the locks. And here I'm going in with some oil. My favorite oil to use is sunflower oil. I found that has worked best for me, my sensitive skin, and it works well on my scalp and body. I use it on my face as well. So I put some on my hands, and I saturate my hands with the oil, and I just go in with this light massage, and it felt so good. It felt so good, and I work my way from the top to the middle to the back. And I just massage the oil through, and I just rub it in, lightly massaging, and then the excess oil I just run it through my locks like this with my hands, being as gentle as possible, rubbing the extra oil on my hands through my hair. And I like to hit my edges as well with the excess oil, just rubbing my edges back, rubbing the oil through gently as so. So I had this style in for about a week and a half, and I like to preserve my lock styles, my protective lock styles, as long as I can. Just twisting it around itself and adding a rubber band to secure it. So I noticed here that another twist head came down. Another rubber band, and twist it around so I can secure it. Like I said, I like to preserve my styles as long as I can. As long as I keep it hydrated and moisturized. I try to hydrate my locks and my scalp twice a week. See that it works best by doing twice a week or 3 times a week. I don't go over that, and my scalp is very happy with that. It works out great for my hair. I'm just securing this twist here that came down with the rubber band. So that is my quick and easy hydrate and oil routine. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe.